Hi, my name is Leif Larson. I'm the founder of Workface. I started Workface back in 2007 with a singular mission, and that was to try and make internet commerce a more human process. If you've noticed something, the marketing pendulum has really swung over towards marketing automation. What we're here to do is to help swing that back more towards human. We're trying to help your organization to connect with customers on the web in a very authentic, very personalized way. Why? Because trust matters, and people buy from people that they like and trust. We want to try and help make this a better process for you. I am so ecstatic. I'm so excited to be able to talk with you today about the fact that we're releasing HTML5. This is big news for us, and this is big news for you as well. So what does HTML5 mean? Well, HTML5 is just a new method of delivering technology across the web. We've been working for months and months, and we've put a king's ransom into building this technology for you. What we're trying to help you do is connect with your customers across any device and do this in a responsive way. It means that it works on tablets, on smartphones, on desktop, on laptop. We want this technology to work everywhere and without your customer having to download any software or any browser plugins. In addition, for your team members, for your customer-facing people, we're also deploying this technology in a way that can be easily accessed through your browser. It's absolutely incredible, and we're so excited to be able to show this off to you today. And so I want to help you understand the technology a little bit better by taking a look at a video that we're going to play for you. So thank you so much. Stay tuned here. Really excited. It's going to be a great webinar.
At Workface, we've never looked at chat the same way. We knew that when we were looking to buy something online, we didn't want to have to enter lines and lines of information, get put into a queue, then wait, and wait, and wait, just to have the person who finally responds to our chat transfer us to someone with more knowledge. We've always believed that chat should be a pleasurable experience, something where the customer can be fully engaged in a personable way, where they can select the person they feel most comfortable talking with. We knew it should be more than a blank text box with a picture of a random person wearing a headset. With Workface, your customers can engage with you in a very simple and easy to use way without having to download any applications or install any programs. It truly gives your customers everything they need to engage and feel confident that they are speaking with the right person who can get them the right answers. We have completely redesigned our user application and made their side of the chat experience revolutionary. We are happy to announce Workface 2.0. You'll never look at chat the same way again. We set some pretty high goals around this new interface. It had to be accessible from anywhere. It had to have a fresh, easy-to-use look and feel. It had to be responsive no matter what the screen size. Most importantly, it had to be expansive, as we have a very aggressive roadmap for new features. Workface's redesigned user application is now browser-based. The user can log in anywhere they have access to a browser, including desktops, smartphones, and tablets. The design is something you don't see in legacy enterprise chat software. It's more intuitive, more efficient, and provides your users with a wealth of information in an easy-to-view way. In this new design, we are introducing the Extensions panel. Here you will find everything from customer information, geolocation information with demographics, a section for notes, and the brand new browser preview. This panel will allow us to continue to innovate and bring in new features and integrations that completely revolutionize what enterprise chat used to be. We are very excited about Workface 2.0. and are hard at work on continually evolving what has proven to be the way customers are choosing to interact with companies. We see Workface 2.0 as defining an important new direction, and in many ways, a new beginning.
Hello, I'm Danny Patterson. I'm the Chief Architect here at Workface, and I'm excited to be here today to show you some of the new features of our Workface 2.0 app. First, I'll show you the customer side of the application, how customers will be interfacing with your agents from your website. And then I'll show you the agent side of the application, how your agents will be using the application to stay available. So as you can see here, I'm on workface.com, and down at the bottom we have our Chat Live toolbar. We click on that, we can see who's available for chat. As you can see here, Jason Childs is online and available, so if I click that, I automatically launch the 2.0 customer-facing chat interface. From here, I can see who I'm chatting with, and I can enter in my name, phone number, and email. We only require a name because we feel it's important that customers can stay as anonymous as they're comfortable with. So I'll go ahead and enter my name here and enter in a chat with Jason. Here I can, I'm in a chatting with Jason immediately. There's no queues, no waiting. And immediately Jason is available and responsive to my questions and my conversation. As you can see, the customer sees an alert as new messages come in. And so if they're on another tab or if they're on another window, they're able to see those. The customer also is in full control. They can end the chat whenever they want. When they go to the end chat screen, they see the ability to send an email transcript, or they can restart the chat if they forgot something or wanted to get back in touch with that agent. Our application is fully responsive, and it works on both phone, tablet, and desktop. All right, now I'd like to show you how our application works on the iPad. So, as you can see, I have the latest iPad, and I go right into workface.com. On workface.com, I can see the toolbar. I'm able to see who's online, and I can enter into a chat with Bill Smith, just as I could on the desktop. As you can see, the responsive design makes it perfectly viewable on all mobile devices. So I simply just enter in my name and head into the chat. Simple as that. And just like the desktop app, I have the option to end the app, where I can see the email transcript option and the restart chat option. So that's the customer side, and now we'll show you what the agent sees when they log in. So here all the agent needs to do, there's no install on Workface 2.0. The agent just needs to go to agent.workface.com, and they'll immediately just be prompted with the login screen. Here I'm going to log in as Bill Smith. And right away you can see the most recent conversations for Bill. Our application interface for the agents is divided into 3 sections. The left section is what we call our system panel, and this is where Bill can see his current status. It's where you see recently viewed stats. You can change his presence, you can access the settings, chat history, and logout. Our application is fully responsive all the way down to the phone size, and on the phone the panels you can slide back and forth to see the panels. As you can see, I just got an incoming chat. I got a notification over here on the right, and I got an indicator right here that I have an unread message. So clicking on that, and then I'm able to see a new active chat from Jason Childs. The second I click on that, I'm instantly taken right into the interface. If I expand all the way out to desktop view, you'll see there's a few things that happen. On the right side, we have what we call our extensions panel. And here you can see, I see a browser preview of what Jason is looking at. So this is a secure way for us to look at how the user accessed the chat and what they're currently doing on the website. As you can see, I can see which page he is browsing to and where he scrolled. I can see the time he's had on the page, the number of tabs or windows he has open of the website, and then I can also see a little bit about his device type. I can also see on this right panel, I can see some customer information. So this is the information that Jason entered into the chat. I have an area for me as an agent to add some notes. And then finally, I have a geolocation area where I can look at where he's at. And this is IP based, but it's very accurate. You see 2 radius circles here, and that shows the accuracy of the geolocation. As you can see, we have Jason is typing a message right now. He is as he types, as an agent, I'm able to see what he's typing, and I can respond. So audio and video is a key component of our application on the desktop. So the agent is in full control of the audio and video functionality, and by entering into an audio video chat or initiating that, then that can be reciprocated from the client side, from the customer side. I can do audio and video independently. So as you can see here, I'm chatting with Jason, and Jason has just shared his video back with me. So audio and video, there's no downloads. It just works. So both, as you saw earlier, the customer can end the chat whenever they feel comfortable. Also, the agent is able to end the chat. So just up here at the top, there's an end chat button. Once I end the chat, the customer moves to recently viewed, and the message area is grayed out. On the left side, we have settings, chat history, and the logout functionality. Under the settings panel, we have an auto away feature. The user can change the incoming sounds that are available, and we're able to set up autoresponders. The first autoresponder is what we call first contact message. We're able to set up a message that is displayed to the user, meant to display to the user right away when they first interact with the agent. You can set the delay on this to anything from 1 to 5 seconds, or 5 seconds or more. We're also able to send a timed out message. So if the agent is not available, doesn't respond within a certain amount of time, you can say add another message here. And you can set this timeout to whatever you like. At the top, there's an auto away functionality. A lot of times, agents may just walk away from their computer and not remember to set themselves as away or busy. So we've added something that's available only in Chrome. It's available via a browser extension. As you can see here, it's detected I'm in Chrome, so I can install that quickly. And once I install that, it shows up here on the right side in Chrome. Once that's installed, I can set this timeout to whatever I want, and it'll automatically set me to away when I've been inactive on my computer for that amount of time. We also have chat history functionality. The chat history is a way for you to see your recently made chats, so you can view it today, yesterday, or last week. We have coming soon, we'll have the ability to select custom date ranges and also keyword search. So that was a quick overview of Workface 2.0. I hope you enjoy the new features and are happy using this product.
Hi, I'm Jason Childs, Manager of Sales Operations and Support here at Workface. First off, thank you guys so much for joining us today. We are really excited about the new Workface 2.0. A special thank you to our development team, Leaf, Danny, Wade, Mark, and Evan. You guys have done a fantastic job. So, the big question is, how do you get Workface 2.0? We're very excited to announce it is available right now. All you have to do is go to agent.workface.com, log in with your existing Workface credentials, and you too can start using the new Workface 2.0. Thank you for joining us, and have a great day.